As a pet owner, it's important to be aware of the common infectious diseases in dogs. These can range from mild infections such as kennel cough to more severe illnesses like canine distemper and parvovirus. Some of the most common infections include tick-borne diseases such as Lyme disease and Rocky Mountain spotted fever. It's vital to keep your dog up to date on their vaccinations and preventative medications to minimize the risk of contracting these diseases. Additionally, practicing good hygiene and avoiding contact with other infected animals can go a long way towards keeping your furry friend healthy and happy. Number 1. Kennel cough. Kennel cough is a highly contagious respiratory disease that is common among dogs. It is caused by a number of viruses and bacteria that attack the respiratory system, leading to symptoms such as a persistent cough, sneezing, nasal discharge, and fever. The disease is most prevalent in places where dogs are kept in close proximity to each other, including boarding kennels, dog shows, and animal shelters. While kennel cough is rarely fatal, it can significantly affect a dog's quality of life and cause secondary infections. It is important for dog owners to take preventive measures, such as vaccinating their pets and avoiding contact with infected dogs, to keep them safe. Number 2. Canine distemper. Canine distemper is a viral disease that affects dogs of all ages, and it is caused by a virus that attacks the respiratory, gastrointestinal, and nervous systems. The virus is highly contagious and is spread through direct contact with an infected animal or by contact with contaminated objects. Canine distemper is a serious illness and can be fatal if left untreated. Symptoms include fever, coughing, sneezing, vomiting, diarrhea, seizures, and lethargy. Vaccination is the best way to prevent the disease, and it is recommended that all dogs be vaccinated against canine distemper. In addition, it's important to keep your dog away from other dogs that may be infected and to be vigilant in maintaining good hygiene practices. If you suspect that your dog may have canine distemper, it's important to seek veterinary care immediately to ensure that your dog gets the necessary treatment. Number 3. Leptospirosis. Leptospirosis in dogs is a serious bacterial infection caused by exposure to the Leptospira bacteria. The bacteria can be found in soil, water, and the urine of infected animals, making it easy for dogs that enjoy the outdoors to contract the disease. Symptoms can range from mild to severe and may include fever, vomiting, loss of appetite, and muscle pain. In some cases, leptospirosis can even cause kidney and liver failure, making quick and accurate diagnosis essential. While leptospirosis is treatable with antibiotics, prevention is always better than cure. Vaccination is the best way to protect your dog from this potentially fatal disease, so be sure to speak with your veterinarian about your dog's vaccination schedule. Number 4. Canine parvovirus. Canine parvovirus is an extremely contagious virus that affects dogs, particularly puppies. This virus attacks the gastrointestinal tract of dogs, resulting in severe vomiting, diarrhea, and dehydration. Canine parvovirus is spread through feces, and unvaccinated dogs are at high risk of contracting the virus. The best way to prevent the spread of canine parvovirus is through vaccination. Vaccination is crucial for puppies as their immune system is still developing, and they are at a higher risk of contracting the virus. Pet owners should ensure that their dogs are vaccinated and should avoid taking their dogs to areas where there is a high risk of exposure to parvovirus. In case of suspected infection, the pet should be taken to a veterinary clinic immediately for treatment. Number 5. Lyme disease. Lyme disease is a tick-borne illness that requires early diagnosis and treatment to prevent long-term complications. This disease is caused by the bacterium Borrelia burgdorferi, which can be transmitted to humans through the bite of black-legged ticks commonly found in wooded and grassy areas. The symptoms of Lyme disease vary, but the most common include fever, fatigue, headache, and a characteristic circular rash. Left untreated, Lyme disease can cause joint pain, neurological problems, and heart damage. If you are bitten by a tick or develop any of these symptoms, it is important to seek medical attention as soon as possible. A prompt diagnosis and appropriate treatment with antibiotics can help prevent serious long-term health consequences. Dogs are truly incredible creatures that have the ability to bring endless joy and love into our lives. They offer companionship, loyalty, and can even improve our mental and physical health. However, owning a dog also comes with great responsibilities, including providing proper care, training, and exercise. Before getting a dog, it is important to do thorough research and consider factors such as lifestyle, living situation, and financial readiness. It is also recommended to adopt a dog from a reputable shelter or rescue organization instead of supporting puppy mills or backyard breeders. With the right care and attention, owning a dog can be one of the most rewarding experiences of your life.